Hi students, how are you doing? So I am coming to just do a quick tutorial of how you take your community service hours and you log those electronically so that you are able to keep up with them from your freshman year all the way to your senior year. Now, anyone could do this, freshmen, sophomore, juniors, or seniors. This is a great tool, especially if you are doing something like NJROTC or the National Honor Society, and you really need to keep track of all the hours that you're doing, and you don't want to hold on to all your papers for forever. Whenever you do a community service project, you do need to get a signed sheet by whoever helped you with that community service option. So you can go to the counseling office, you can get a sheet, or if they give you a letter, that letter will be sufficient. You then go into your Schoolinks account. Remember, Schoolinks can be logged in using Clever, or you can go to just schoollinks.com and sign in using Google through your school Google email. Once you are logged in into the home screen, you will see on the left all of your options. The option you're going to go to is the one that says engage. From engage, you're going to go to experience tracking. And here under experience tracking, you will go to the plus button to add volunteer community service. You put in the name of the organization, the email of whoever you did it with, if you have their email address, the date, if it's a single date or a range of dates, the hours and minutes, and a quick description of your community service. You hit save, and it will save to get verified. The next thing you can do is you can either come see me during your passing period or on a pass from a teacher, bring that hard copy of the service hours, and I can verify you right there on the spot, and then it is locked into your account. That sheet, I can collect it and give it to your counselor to be put in your file. You can give it to your counselor to be put in your file, or you could keep it just for your own records. All right, I hope this helps, and that is the best way to track your community service.